If India wants to be a superpower, we need to work on the space technology, and for this we have to train our children, and this education is imparted by the AFA, that is Friends of Astronomy at Panji. However, the institute that does this training in AFA, that is Friends of Astronomy, is struggling today. AFA was given a place by the Congress government at Junta House, and then the BJP government inaugurated it and gave them a place physically. Last month, there was a 1-month course for children, and one day there was a talk about AI, and one child asked how she can be an astrophysicist. So the AI told her about colleges, and then the child asked in Goa, is there anything to that? She was told, join the AFA, that is Friends of Astronomy at Goa. Today they are told to leave the premises. This AFA is at Junta House on the 7th floor. It seems this place was given to them by the government, and now they are just being kept homeless with no alternative arrangement. The government is saying, we'll give you some arrangement, but nothing has come so far. Education is a continuous process, just like how we eat food every day. AFA is part of the Science and Technology Goa. However, no place is given by anyone. Why is this treatment given to them? Why is there no place given to them? AFA is part of the Science and Tech. One hand, the government gives them place to operate at Junta House, and now they are homeless without any arrangement. First, they give a place and then they take it back. Why was Junta House never maintained? That is the first question. In fact, old structures are stronger. Why is the government wanting to demolish the old structures like Junta House? Why is there a need for development of this place when the same one can be maintained? Why is it that suddenly this government finds the old places and wants to construct buildings everywhere? The pharmacy college is old. The structure near Altino is old. The government quarters are old. Why everything is old suddenly? And why is there a need for construction? Will the government get anything if the buildings are done up? Where one side our country is marching ahead to be the world's number 3rd economy, the other side their own government at state level is pulling the state country down. We say that there should be good facilities given to the public. Here, what are the facilities given? On top of it, they are seeing to it that they break the buildings instead of maintain them. Can there be corruption while knocking the building off? I wonder. What are they building? Is it for the general public or for the private politicians or private bodies? It is very disappointing that a genuine organization like AFA, which imparts education to children about space, stars, etc., have no place and no alternate arrangement. With education, please don't play. Let the children learn and make India a superpower. All the AFA needs is some space or place. Can the government see that? And will it provide it? Are all the structures suddenly required to be demolished in Panji? Why is the government so impatient to demolish instead of maintain them?